morning, good afternoon, good evening, from wherever you're watching me from. This is Sam Ongoro. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube name is Sam Ongoro. Now, that is an ostrich, and let me start by giving you a definition of what an ostrich is. An ostrich is a flightless, swift landing African bird with a long neck and long legs, and also it has 2 toes on each foot. It is the largest living bird, with males reaching a height of up to 2.75 meters. An ostrich can lay up to 12 to 18 eggs, and the incubation period of an ostrich is 42 days. And an ostrich that is in human care can live up to 70 years, while those in the wild can last up to 30 to 40 years. What are the predators of an ostrich? The natural predators include cheetahs, lions, leopards, hunting dogs, and spotted hyenas. Other predators like Egyptian vultures and jackals may take an ostrich's eggs. Why do they target the ostrich eggs? An ostrich eggs are so large, so that's why most predators will target their eggs. Predators like Egyptian vultures and jackals, they mostly aim and target the ostrich's eggs. So what I'm trying to say here is simple. The main predators of an ostrich are cheetahs, lions, spotted hyenas, and hunting dogs.